You are looking at one of the most advanced assembly facilities in the world. This is a flex line, allowing General Motors to build a wide range of different vehicles here all at the same time. So how advanced is this plant?
I would say that Oshawa really represents a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. The true design intention of a flexible manufacturing line is to be able to build multiple vehicle styles, and we're certainly demonstrating that here in Oshawa.
So, like you were saying, this plant has something called the flex line. Can you elaborate on that?
We do. In 2008, we went through a major conversion here at the plant to convert our facility to a state-of-the-art flexible manufacturing line. And what's interesting about this type of assembly line is we're able to build multiple styles of vehicle architectures and body styles. In fact, the flex line is capable of building 3 unique body architectures and 6 different unique body styles, which is critically important for flexibility in order to be able to respond to the market.
The flex line builds efficiency into the factory through flexibility. It allows General Motors to respond quickly to changing market demands, almost immediately, by ramping up production of one model while cutting back on the production of another. Digital technology makes it all possible, with computers making adjustments for each component, making sure Camaro parts go on Camaros, Cadillac parts go on Cadillacs, and so on. But responding to the market does put a lot of pressure on suppliers to get their parts on the factory quickly after an order has been placed. Suppliers are given just 4 hours notice to ship out parts, taking just-in-time delivery systems to a whole new level.
So we are actually building 7 different unique vehicles here at the plant. So that means we are kitting and sequencing a huge volume of parts at the assembly facility. We actually handle over 11,000 individual part numbers at the plant. So we have a facility just to the south of us that actually acts as an intermediary that receives all of the parts from different countries all around the world, and we consolidate them and kit them so that we can organize and sequence the parts for presentation to our team members. So at any one time in the plant, we generally only have about 3 to 4 hours worth of inventory. So the inventory is constantly flowing through the facility to maximize efficiency and reduce our inventory for cost perspective.
General Motors has a rich history in Oshawa. The automaker is still one of the community's biggest employers. Can you tell me a bit about the history of the plant here?
Sure. Canada has a rich history of building outstanding world-class high-quality vehicles. In fact, the Oshawa Assembly Plant has been in operation since 1953. This is our 60th anniversary this year of building high-quality vehicles, and we're really excited to be added the all-new next-generation Chevrolet Impala to that rich heritage that we have here. It actually just launched last month. The Chevrolet Impala is now built on the same assembly line as the Chevrolet Camaro, the Buick Regal, and the recently launched Cadillac XTS.
And how many vehicles do you build here in a day or in a year?
So last year alone at this facility, we produced just over 400,000 vehicles. On the flexible manufacturing line, we are just about to add a 3rd shift to support increased volume for the Cadillac XTS and the Impala. And at the end of May, we will be at full 3-shift volume, producing just over 1,100 vehicles a day at our plant.
How big is this assembly plant?
So we have a very large facility here at the Oshawa Assembly Plant, and we have just over 9 million square feet of floor space.
Excellent. And how many people are employed here?
We have about 4,000 employees. 3,500 of those are hourly employees represented by CAW Local 222, and we have about 500 members of our management team.
The flex line is critical to the success of General Motors. It's a huge investment for a company that is likely to pay huge dividends, not just in profits for a company that is making a comeback, but also in job security for GM employees in Oshawa.
First, we'll get her name on camera.
Okay, can I just get your name and spelling on camera, please?
Yes, my name's Jennifer Wright, W-R-I-G-H-T, and I'm the Communication Manager here at the Oshawa Assembly Plant for General Motors of Canada. Yes, this spring we actually launched our state-of-the-art flagship sedan for Chevrolet, the Chevrolet Impala.
Okay, and I know that one of the vehicles there is the Impala. So can you just tell me a bit about how you have the Impala there working with the other vehicles?
There really isn't another plant that rivals the amount of complexity and product lineup that we have. So we have very complicated IT systems and quality systems in place in order to be able to successfully handle that, that complexity of build.